How to use Quiet Lab Mouthpiece. So to use the Quiet Lab Mouthpiece, the first thing that you'll need to do is to identify the top and the bottom. To identify the upper and lower halves of the device, look for the up and down marks. The mouthpiece works only one way. Using it upside down will be uncomfortable and ineffective. Now after that, set your starting advancement. Your mouthpiece arrives in the neutral position with no forward jaw movement yet. This is the factory starting point. Once you're comfortable, begin adjusting the lower tray forward in small steps to improve results. Now insert and check fit. Place both trays securely in your mouth and close gently. They should feel snug and not tight. You can gently bend or adjust positioning to fit your mouth shape. Try experimenting with different settings to make it more comfortable. Now start slowly. If it feels awkward at first, this is normal. Wear it for 1 to 2 hours while relaxing on day 1. Then progress to full night use once comfortable. Experiment with settings only after you've adapted to the feel of wearing the mouthpiece at the current setting. Early comfort in the first 2 to 3 nights strongly predicts success. Take your time to adapt to the mouthpiece and start at lower settings. And lastly is to remember cleaning it. After each use, rinse with warm water, brush gently with non-abrasive toothpaste, or use ultrasonic cleaner, then air dry before storing. Consistent cleaning will help your mouthpiece last longer and help keep your mouth free of bacteria. And that is how to use Quiet Lab mouthpiece.